welcome back to my channel. If you are new in here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin and his name is Brett. And on this Sunday, Game of Thrones will premiere its last season. And I'm so excited. And when I'm excited, I'm inspired. And when I'm inspired, I need to create some t-shirt. So in this video, I will create Game of Thrones inspired t-shirt. And let me quickly explain you the idea of my design. As we know, in last season there will be a battle against White Walkers, and also we know that one dragon turned to the Ice Dragon, so it will be a battle between these two powers, power of ice and power of fire. So I decided to paint these two dragons on the t-shirt, Ice Dragon and Fire Dragon, and these two powers, power of fire and power of ice. And I think that this t-shirt will be just epic. So guys, as winter is coming, let's get started. So first I sketched dragons on the t-shirt with white paint and I'll create an undercoat. And I decided to create this design not just because I'm a fan of Game of Thrones and this topic is trendy, but also because I can't miss a chance to paint dragons because I love to paint dragons. They are so beautiful creatures. And information for all my new viewers, videos about fabric paints I use and also educational videos about how to paint on clothes you can find in the description below. So guys, I painted two dragons and this one is Drogon and I will paint him with brown and red colors and he will breathe fire. And this one is Viserion, and as we know, Viserion turned to the Ice Dragon, so I will paint him with icy colors and he will breathe blue flames. So let's paint these dragons with colors. So guys, soon we will see the final of Game of Thrones and I'm so excited. Are you guys excited, or maybe you don't even watch it? Write me in the comments below. And if you watch, write me who do you think will get the throne. My favorite characters are Jon Snow and Daenerys, so I hope they will get the throne. And now I paint Drogon, the Fire Dragon. And I pay close attention to the scales, I paint them very detailed, so my dragon will look very realistic. And Drogon will have red eyes and sharp teeth. Viserion, the Ice Dragon, and as I said, I will paint him with icy colors. And I'm really curious about the dragons in the last season of Game of Thrones. Will they fight? Will Viserion turn back into the Fire Dragon? And what Daenerys will do? I just can't wait to find it all out. So Viserion will have blue eyes and also sharp teeth. Fire or ice? Who will win this battle? Wow! I love how it turned out. Do you feel this power of two dragons? But it's not finished yet, no. I want to burn this t-shirt. I want to add more fire, so here I will paint red flames and here I will paint blue flames. So let's do it! Short, I feel myself like a mother of dragons who has very naughty child. Boys, enough fighting. So guys, smash this like button. I think this t-shirt deserves your likes, and share this video with your friends who love Game of Thrones. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.